Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I'm a wellness coach and health coach. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant into this field for last 18 years with my experience, and I'm also 20K senior executive president member from Herbalife Nutrition, working for last 18 years. So with my experience, I would like to share one wonderful video, one important video, which is generally a misconception that many people think, they're perfectly healthy, but without realizing they're still not healthy. So there is a difference between fitness and health. So the question is, many people ask me, sir, is it all the fit people are healthy? So let us go about this question, right? So before sharing this story, before they sharing this presentation, let me introduce myself. I worked as a government officer, as a gazetted officer, as a district registrar in region stamps department in Andhra Pradesh government for 10 years. So I worked there as also as assistant inspector general of region stamps. So I used to be, like, you can see me there in that middle picture, white shirt. So I was busy in my own profession, and I was not coming to, I don't know anything about this health and wellness before. So I was busy having my own busy schedule. Because of my wife, I came into this field. So I very accidentally came into this field. Actually, my wife was struggling to lose her weight also. By the way, she came to earn extra income. In the process, we met this company called Herbalife Nutrition. So this is the situation there. And now I resigned completely my job after working there for 10 years. And now into certified nutrition and fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, certified by ASN, American Society of Nutrition, marathon runner and cyclist, CPR AD certified Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor. So let me explain step by step the topic. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social, spiritual well-being, and not merely absence of any disease or infirmity, as per WHO, World Health Organization. So that means if you are physically fit, physical health means physically height, weight, and BMI, everything normal. If you are physically fit, doesn't mean you are healthy, because you require to satisfy other criteria like mental health and social health and spiritual health. Correct? Spiritual well-being. Well-being something to do with a wellness, right? Wellness. So not merely absence of any disease or infirmity doesn't mean you are healthy. Okay, so that means you are supposed to be perfect everywhere: height, weight, and BMI, internal body fat. And if you are overweight, that means you are not healthy. So sound mind and spiritual, speak to God, and mental health, and speak to all the people. No, don't get hypertensive, all that. So as per this definition of World Health Organization, people are considered as classified into three parts. One is wellness health, number two survival health, number three sickness health. Very few people, like 5 to 10% people in the society, are come under wellness health, meaning they are perfectly all right and they are fantastic and they're so happy and joyous, bubbling with energy. So second category are survival health. Survival health are the people they don't go to medical shop, they don't go to hospital, they don't need to visit the doctor. Doesn't mean they are still healthy. They are still survival health, meaning they are neither wellness health nor having sickness health, right? So they're in between. Most of the people, 60 to 70% people will be under survival health mode, and 20 to 30% of the people will be under sickness health, meaning they constantly visit doctors, they go to hospitals, and those kind of people, right? So next stage is death, right? This is what happens. So now, so which kind of people are the sports people come under? So if you understand now which kind of people the sports people mostly come across. Excuse me. Go, let us discuss about Yuvraj Singh, cancer survivor. Yuvraj Singh is a professional cricketer, and he has so much of experience in sports and fitness. He is physically fit, no doubt no question about it. But his health is not well. Has a problem. So nobody knows that cancer is there in the body in spite of his playing. Meaning what? So many of the physical fit people, they look physically fit, but internally they could be having some kind of problem inside. So that means health is totally different from physical fitness. Understand this definition, right? Understand this difference, please. So second, Vaibhav Kesarkar, Mumbai cricketer, died of heart attack while playing cricket. While playing cricket in the ground itself, live in front of many people. So what does it indicate? He's a physically fit person, physically fit, but is not healthy. Something was there inside, right? He got heart attack and he died on the spot. 30% of physical fit people may suffer stroke. This is the study. Stress and anxiety have been major causes for heart attack, doctor says. So likewise, you can also see Saurav Ganguly. He also twice admitted in hospital, and the second time he was, underwent the operation for heart attack, right? So why I'm telling you is this: Saurav Ganguly he played for long and is physically fit. They know so much about fitness and health, but why they were not implementing what they were supposed to be practicing, correct? So this is the reason, these are the reasons why we cannot consider people, though they are physically fit, but they we cannot consider them as healthy. So fitness is different from health. This is what I want to tell you. And one more point is Kapil Dev suffers heart attack. So and also many boxers are overweight, for that matter. I approach a lot of boxers, and once they are overweight, that means they are not healthy. Simple logic. Physically fit. Like I said, remember World Health Organization definition of health. Health is a state of physical, mental, social, spiritual well-being. Physically, they are barred from calling them as healthy. So because the moment they are overweight or obese, naturally a lot of fat is there inside. Maybe they have muscle mass. So that's the reason why I'm telling you. Many people, they don't understand the difference. They think, I know so many things in health. All the time I am in fitness. I know so much. So I am, nothing will come to me. That kind of arrogance actually not good. So Diego Maradona is also classic example. While playing, he was perfectly all right, but the moment he given up, he was put on so much of weight. You can see he died of heart attack, right? So likewise, what is your opinion on how is your health status? You may be doing physical fitness, maybe you are practicing the workouts, but can you say that confidently that you are 100% healthy? No, we cannot say. So let us examine, certain people like Mary Kom, our brand ambassador. She was little overweight before, but now perfectly all right. So you can see her, our brand ambassador. We met her, and Heather Jackson. They maintain very well. Mary Kom maintains very well. Heather Jackson maintains very well. Heather Jackson actually is a runner and cyclist and marathon runner. These are international players. They take care of their health, not just only in terms of fitness, but also nutrition and exercise and lifestyle habits correction. Lakshya Sen also into our nutrition. And likewise, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli, he cares about his health and lifestyle habits very well. He don't eat junk food only. Very very careful about what he eats. No wonder his performance is very well. So we met him. We had lunch with Virat Kohli, and he hardly ate. So that means what? They'll be very careful, choosy about what they eat, what not to eat, all that. So these are the very important things to understand. As a sports person, as a fitness person, they fitness person does not mean they are perfectly all right. They require to take care, unless they take care of other side also, like nutrition and lifestyle corrections and all that. Cristiano Ronaldo is he takes care of the nutrition so well. Many sports people, they don't take care. This is weight and fat and muscle mass and everything he takes care well. So they know, some people know, the champions, many people know their limitations, their limits and limitations. So he's our brand ambassador. He takes Herbalife Nutrition. So it, Herbalife Nutrition, the number one brand in the weight management and supplements, in H24 sports segment, also in nutrition supplements, is the award-winning products. And I was also before overweight. I don't know anything about this. I was overweight. I put on a lot of weight. I lost 12 kilos in 2.5 months. And afterwards, I started, recommending to many people. As a district registrar, I don't have good lifestyle, rather, but after coming to this lifestyle, I started practicing what I preach. And my wife also started losing weight. You can see her. She underwent a lot of transformation before and after. And me and my wife, we both lost weight. And my age is now 51 years now, and my wife age is 43 years. So she's 43, I'm 51. Now we are looking better and healthier. My children, we both lost weight, my wife and me, and our children grown taller. You can see them height. The nutrition and lifestyle, good habits like water, sleep, all things matter. My wife also does all the kinds of workouts. We both practice the fitness, and we know that our limits. So not just only fitness, but also the nutrition and lifestyle habits correction and all that, education, all that important. So blue t-shirt is me, and I was making them to do workouts, and green t-shirt is me. You can see there. I am also this what we practice, we preach and practice. We do it first, then we practice. So you can see me there. We are conducting a health club, and we talk about nutrition. We also recognize the people, and I myself personally I do half marathon, 21 kilometers. I usually run, and I do cycling also, 40 kilometers cycling I do. I'm a triathlete, so triathlon I do, and my children also triathletes. And we met lot of topmost doctors like Dr. Sudha, Dana Ryan. So she's a world famous sports nutritionist. Dr. Susan Bowerman, world famous. He's a professor. He's a topmost professor in Harvard. Is a into nutrition, dietitian, registered dietitian, and topmost doctors. I met them. Dr. David Heber. He's a director for Center for Human Nutrition at UCLA, University of California, Los Angeles. So Dr. Luigi Grattan, Dr. John Ognobi is our CEO, and previously worked as a health secretary. Is also medical doctor. Is also administrator now. And we are fortunate enough to talk to and to get training from Dr. Richard Henry Carmona. He was a Surgeon General of America, 17th Surgeon General of America. These actually helped us to understand the difference between nutrition, lifestyle, and discipline, habits. All these things are matter for a good healthy life. So that's what we promote here: balanced life and balanced diet and balanced lifestyle. Exercise, rest, and sleep, everything matters. Lifestyle matters, nutrition matters, and everything matters. So this all about me, and I already said about myself, my certifications and my passion for nutrition and helping people. And if you already have a health coach or wellness coach, please do follow their advice. If you don't have such any kind of such health coach or wellness coach, we are here to help you. You can these are my phone numbers and email ID and Facebook and Instagram, website, YouTube, details are given. Please do contact us. Our purpose is to make the world healthier and happier. I'm sure you by this time you understood the difference between fitness and health. Fitness is totally different from health. So don't get misunderstood, and don't get misguided by people. Clearly understand, you may be great in your physical fitness, doesn't mean you are healthy. So many people are like this. Many people are under survival health. Now, means they are not under hospital, doesn't mean they are healthy also either. Okay, vehicle is not into a repair shop, doesn't mean it is healthy also. Same way, we have to check ourselves periodically and take advice of the experts and take our advice. And we have to have a balance of everything, not just only exercise, but also diet and lifestyle and sleep and water and everything put together, right? So what kind of oil you take, how much water you take, all these small things also matter. So junk food and relaxation, fun and friend circle, all this matters. How many hours you work out, and how much nutrition supplements you take, all this matters. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Now you know what is the difference between fitness and health, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate your time. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this and subscribe and share to many people. It will be great help for many people also. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.